Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you the live trade what we did today, and also I'll be telling you how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding that. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot. The link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, today is 30th of November and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the market is opening 0.02% down at 17,051. Advanced stocks are 19, declines are 25, and unchanged is 6 stocks. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Coal India with 2.76% up and Tata Motors with 1.11% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that will be HDFC with 1.80% down and Asian Paint with 0.90% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to buy SBI stock in the intraday market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. We have bought it around 473.80 now. So guys, yes, we are in the buy side of SBN right now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So even you can see at the market is recovering today. It's almost 0.60% up. At the top left side, you can see the market is trading at 17,157 now. So if the market goes up, all the stock will also go up, because the market is down since couple of days. So if the market recovers today, even a lot of stocks can recover today is what I'm feeling. So let's see how it will perform. So 474 now. So I should take my exit somewhere around 476 also, that is fine. So that's like almost 0.5% of the stock. Like if I hit 2 rupees, entered around 473.80 somewhere around there. So let's see how the stock will perform. And SBI is also at its peak levels, I guess. So if it just gives a break out around 475, then the stock has a good capacity to go up is what I'm feeling. So anyway, we'll stick to the target about 476 and exit there. So just waiting for this to go up from 473 to 474. So once it goes above there, I think it can get a fast movement from there, but until that we need to wait. So there might be some of a waiting time, but SBIN would perform today is what I'm feeling. And also you can see now at the top left side, the market is almost 1.26% up. It's trading at 17,270 now, which is a good sign. So if I hold it for some time, I think the stock should come up is what I am feeling right now. So we'll see how that stock will perform. So yes, we are closer to 475 now. So enter, yes, 475, 473, 475.30. So yes, just now we are making a new high, guys. So 475.4050. So just 476 now. Yes, it is giving a good movement. If you guys can see, 476 now almost. So let me see when I can exit. So almost 476 now is the new high which has made. So let's wait for some time and I'll take an exit and I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock went all the way up till 476.90, so almost like 477. So I just took my exit somewhere around 469.8, somewhere around there. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.